I did not give in to buying the new iPhone 11. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a fun video. I feel like it's kind of like an OG YouTube video. I'm gonna show you guys what's on my iPhone. I've never done one of these videos before and I don't watch them too often, but I know that people love it and I'm Snoopy too, and sometimes I really like seeing what other people have on their phone. It's a good way to get new app ideas, new game ideas, new photo editing ideas. So I'm gonna show you guys all of the apps and things that I keep on my phone. So first of all, the phone case that I keep on my phone right now, I have a Talk and Tell phone case on my phone. I heard about this brand from Nicole Guerrero and she's like my favorite YouTuber of all time, I swear. And so I bought a couple of cases from them. They actually featured me on their page for having their phone case on my phone. So I will link their Instagram down below. They're a great company. The phone case is a really protective one. It has a little bit of a lip on my phone, so it protects it, and it's really cute too. Like, they have some really awesome designs, so I just wanted to give them a quick shout out. Again, their link will be down below. And the other thing, I have the iPhone XR. I did not give in to buying the new iPhone 11. Honestly, like, a lot of YouTubers were doing like, how is the camera on the iPhone 11, and like filming beauty makeup tutorials with it, and I'm not a huge fan of the camera actually. I don't know, just me. But no, I did not give in to the hype. I'm sticking with my iPhone XR for a while. When they come out with a new iPhone, maybe I'll get the 11, who knows. I'm always like a step behind because I'm not paying. I'm not giving you my money, Apple. I mean, like, I'm giving you enough. Okay, so this is the screen saver that I have. It's a photo of me and my husband. Go. So this is my lock screen. I just have like a pale pink background because I feel like it's easier to see all of my stuff. So down at the bottom, I have my phone app, my Instagram app, my notes app because I use that constantly. And then I also have my messages app. And those are like my most used, which is kind of sad that Instagram's on there, but whatever. And then in the top corner, I have, oh look, it's on my last screen recording and you can see a whole bunch of selfies for the makeup tutorial that I just filmed. My photos app, my camera app, my Apple Watch app, my contacts, App Store maps, just like easy stuff that I use a lot, settings, Safari. Then I have my Google Calendar. This is a shared Google Calendar with me and my husband so that we can see what each other's work schedule is. Then I have Shazam because I cannot tell you the number of times that I've been in a restaurant or a, I don't know, just like a store, and I hear a song and it's like, I have to have that. So I Shazam it. Then I have the Disneyland app because I love seeing, oh, it's Halloween. I love seeing what the wait times are. If you guys didn't know, oh, 25 minutes on Thunder Mountain. Oh, that's like nothing. I wish I was there. Ooh, Pirates 15. That's a good wait time. 75 for Haunted Mansion. I don't get the hype. I do not get the hype for the Haunted Mansion holiday. Anyways, then I have my Gmail app, which I get on quite frequently for school, for YouTube, for everything. And then I have my pictures folder. So in here, I have Planoly, which this is the app that I use to schedule all of my posts because otherwise I would not remember to post on Instagram. I'm really bad at Instagram, but here's my link. Go follow me. I'm at Corie Mac Life on Instagram. My feed is coming together nicely. I'm starting to edit all of my pictures the same way, so hopefully we'll have a theme soon. We'll see. Next, I also have Visco Cam, which is what I use. I like made my own preset. So if you go on Pinterest and you go like Visco presets, it will come up with a whole bunch of different themes that you can like plug into Visco, and you can like save your own presets on Visco, and then you can just like hit the button and you can edit all, like in one click, all of your photos will be edited the same way. And so that's how I'm achieving my theme. I have Facetune, love that for like the details part of it, and it just like makes like the background colors like super vibrant. Love that. Touch Retouch, that is an awesome, let's see if I can like, let's like edit something out of my photo. Okay, let's just take this photo of the sewing lab and let's say that I want to get rid of these papers on the back. So object removal, and then you just paint over and you hit go. Okay, that wasn't a super great example, like it fudged it up. But anyways, it just like removes objects from the back. And then I have Fonto, which is what I use to put the titles on my thumbnails. If you guys wanted to know, I edit all of my thumbnails in PicMonkey except for the fonts and like the words on the picture, because I don't love the fonts that PicMonkey provides. So I export the photo that I edited on PicMonkey and then I just put the title in on Fonto. And then I have the Unfold app. Don't use that too much. Layout, I could really delete that. I don't use that one either. Boomerang, I don't use that one either. Huji, don't really use that one either. InShot, Storylux, I don't really use any of these, to be completely honest. I do use Storylux and Stories Edit for my stories sometimes, but not super often. Oh, was there another? Oh, and then I have PhotoGrid and Superimpose. Haven't played with those too much. Then I have my social media folder. And on here, I spend most of my time. The amount of time that I spend on Amazon just like putting things in my cart and like messing around is like really sad. So I have the Facebook app, the Messenger app, Pinterest, which I spend a lot of time on. I love me some Pinterest. Amazon app, Snapchat app, which I can pretty much delete. I never use Snapchat. I'm over it. They ruined me. So YouTube, Sephora, Etsy. Then I have my podcast app, which is what I spend most of my time on. I don't listen to a ton of music anymore, honestly. I listen to mostly podcasts. And a link to me and my mom's podcast will be in the description box, so you should definitely go subscribe. Music app, Spotify app. And then I have my finance folder right here. And in there I have Receipt Hog, which they basically, if you take pictures of your receipts and send them in, they will give you coins, which you can then turn in for gift cards. So it's basically free money. And then Venmo, obviously. And then on the second page, I have this meh folder on which I have Fandango, my Apple Wallet, Duo Mobile, which is something that you have to use for, like, I think it's called like dual factor authentication, something or other. I have to use it for my bank. Anyways, don't use it that often. Then I have my iMovie app, which I don't use. Fandango is like the one that I use the most out of this folder when me and my husband go to see a movie. And then I have my watch folder next to that, which has Netflix, Hulu, Prime Video, and my news feed, games. And frankly, I don't really watch Netflix and Hulu and stuff on my phone. I'm usually on my laptop watching it. So this is like an emergency situation. Then I have my games app, which I have Sally Spa, which I've completed. Cookie Run, which I love. Sunday Lawn, which I've also completed, and I have completed every level with 3 stars. And then Word Story. But right now I've been playing Sudoku, which is down here, not even in the folder, because you know that's like what I use the most. Then I have my useless folder, which has all of the stuff that I like never use. And then I have the health app, which is also stuff I never use, obviously. And then I have the CoStar app, which I have all of my family on just so that I can see their birth charts. It's so much fun to me. And I don't know why, like most of the people in my area, they don't do astrology. Like they just don't get it. I feel like it's like a social media thing, so can you guys like validate me? And I feel like it's so accurate. And I don't know. I mean, like, I'm a spiritual person and I definitely believe in God, but I would maybe like to think that that's like how God planned it. You feel me? Then I have the Anchor app to see how me and my mom's podcast is doing. And then these other ones down here are just photo apps that I've recently downloaded that I haven't really played with. Most of them are like presets app. I just downloaded Lightroom because I want to kind of play with that a little bit. And then like retro film apps. And that's it. How easy was that? And that is it for my what's on my iPhone video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this was just kind of fun. I hope it maybe gave you guys some ideas for new apps that you maybe want to try. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye!